Hi YouTube, welcome back. So this is my new Digitek Platinum Professional DV Tripod, model number DPTR 880 Pro. This from Amazon for rupees 3000. So the maximum height of this tripod is 65 inches. So let's unbox this now and check it out. It's a bit heavy and they have provided a very nice carry bag for this. Also they have provided an instruction manual. So let's see. So yeah, this is it. The quality of the material is excellent. You can feel it from the touch itself. Yes, this is the minimum height at which this tripod can be used. So they have provided excellent rubber bushes in the legs which can be used in uneven terrains also. So once it is ready to use, just push it down like this, and this is a lock. Just turn it around like this and then you can lock the legs in position. Also they have provided an excellent handle for changing the camera angle as and when required. Also this handle is provided with a very good grip. So this is the universal bed where you can mount your cameras. So if you clearly see, here they have provided a lock mechanism. All you have to do is just turn it like this and then this bed comes off just like this. Then here they have provided the universal screw where you can mount your camera. All you have to do is you have to take it like this, keep your camera on this top and then turn it and lock the camera in position, and once it is completed you can keep it back again on this tripod. Now before locking, here if you clearly see, they have given a button here. All you have to do is you have to turn this lock like this and then you have to just press it, and if you leave it will get locked automatically. So to get the maximum height, all you have to do is, if you look clearly here, they have provided two clips on each of the leg. So just remove the clips first. So once you remove the first clip, the leg will extend to some extent. Now remove the second clip also. And lock the first clip. So this is not the maximum height. You can further increase the height. So we clearly see they have provided a screw here. Just loosen it up and then just tighten it up. So they have claimed a maximum height of 65 inches for this tripod, and I am 73 inches. So my guess should be, this should be for sure 65 inches. So these are my initial thoughts about this tripod, and we will post some more videos in the future while using this. So if you want to use your mobile on this tripod, you need to purchase an additional mobile tripod adapter. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.